What'd you get? Wow. That's a, what is in there? Get a credit card?
It's rubber.
Build-A-Bear. The girls are just opening the stockings now.
Here's the other ones coming in. Here they are.
Bubbles and socks.
Wow.
What's that?
Just for yourself. Let me see what else it says. And
What is that?
unless you can be a unicorn, then be a unicorn.
What is it?
Right. Hello.
Merry Christmas.
Christmas.
So you got your dog sled on.
Wow, that's cute, Lily.
Wow.
Wow, what does that mean? What'd you get? Lipstick. Is there anything else in your stocking? Anything else, Memes? Oh, we'll have to grow them later, okay?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Okay, do you guys like your stuff?
What'd you get, Meme? What is that?
Oh.
What's that, a pen? What? Oh,
Flashlight. Wow.
alright. Is that it?
It's the two big girls.